With me now is Ben Poole, Director of Magellan Sales at OpenText. Ben, so tell us about where Magellan has got to now and how it's helping customers.
Our Magellan project now, OpenText Magellan, is our artificial intelligence effort. The market, we think, is ready. There's been plenty of other competitive offerings out there. Typically, they're kind of expensive. And having had a year to develop, we're just really excited about having this opportunity to bring our offering to market. Think in terms of anything that machine learning, in other words, the more the machine receives data, the more it understands. You can automate many processes. I'll give you a great example, like a call center, and that could be anybody's call center, a telecom, anybody else who has humans on the phone, and they're interacting both on the phone, across the internet, or any sort of social media, and they are trying to achieve their targets, their goals, their sales goals, or whatever the case may be. And we're able to help them automate these processes. We use the artificial intelligence, the machine learning that is built into Magellan, and give them the opportunity to do a tremendous amount more. It's about
looking towards the future as well as analyzing the past.
That's exactly right. So good point. You take historical data, maybe from inside the company. You can use social media data. We can pull data from the web. You put it all together. You can develop demographic modeling. You can develop campaigns. Like I said, with a call center, you can increase your revenue per call, right? Helping your sales associates be more successful, and therefore your company is going to be more successful. I mean, it's just one example.
Let's turn our attention now to the future, which seems apt for what we're talking about. Where do you see technologies like OpenText Magellan taking society or particular industries? What are the opportunities?
We're moving to the future where machines and humans are going to be interacting quite a bit more, and we need to make the machines smarter so that they're helping us, right, not hurting us. And in 5 years down the road, I think we're going to be at a tipping point where robotics will be very actively deployed, more so than they are already today. They're in manufacturing today, for example. You're going to see a lot more activity. Drones, there's another good use case. And the idea is maybe we can live to 150 years old. Let's put it into the medical community and find ways to make our bodies last longer. Have an IQ of 1,000, right? I mean, there's wonderful things that we can achieve.
Right.
And there's so many other things we can do. In the corporate world, whether you're in the telecom space, you're in the financial services sector, you rent cars for a living, you're Uber, things of these sort. There's so much more that can be done in the future, and we are actively working toward that goal.
Fantastic stuff. Ben, thanks for being here.
Tony, you're welcome. Appreciate the time.
Thank you.
Yeah.